welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, and we're going to show you how healthy doesn't have to be boring, and this one is really going to blow your mind. We're going to make my famous fettuccine Alfredo today, and you think fettuccine Alfredo and you think creamy and cheesy and delicious pasta, and that's exactly what we're making, but we're making it for just under 400 calories. So 399 calories for this. We're gonna make one beautiful serving of this for you today. The sauce I'm gonna show you is a serving for 4. The recipe and everything is gonna be down below if you have any questions. We'll go through this step by step though, but we're gonna start with fettuccine noodles. So you can buy fresh fettuccine or you can do dried fettuccine. Doesn't matter to me. The outcome is really in the sauce. Obviously a good pasta noodle is great, but this sauce is something you're gonna dream about. So we're gonna go ahead and boil up our noodles really quick, and let's get making this sauce, the sauce of your dreams. Okay, we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of butter here, medium heat in a heavy saucepan. We're gonna get that to melt. As soon as it's melted, we're gonna add 2 minced garlic cloves. Got to have the garlic in this sauce. That's what makes it. So get that in here. We're going to saute this for about 30 seconds. And then we are going to make a roux out of this. That's how we're going to start this sauce. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to stir this around and get it mixed until it creates this nice thick paste. That's going to be the base of our roux. Get that mixed together really nice. Make sure you're stirring the entire time. Here comes 1 1/3 cups of, here's a fat saver. We're using 1% milk on this. So get that all mixed in. It was nice and cold as we added this, which is exactly what we want to do. Keep on stirring and stirring, and you're going to watch as this thickens. It's going to take about 6 minutes, and it's going to start to get thick and bubbly. And that's where you're going to see we're going to start adding the good stuff. Okay, it's starting to bubble really nice. It's nice and steamy. We're getting the thickness we want. We're going to add our cheese. This is 1 cup of Parmesan cheese we're going to stir in here. We are also going to add, again, here I am with 1/3 fat, less fat, sour cream. That's what's going to make this so creamy. And don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of salt here for flavor. Okay, so we're going to stir this. Again, our heat is just at medium. If you need to turn that down a little bit, please do so. But get it mixing, get all these chunks taken care of, and make it just into this nice, silky, smooth, cheesy sauce. As soon as you feel like you have all the chunks gone, and it looks really smooth, we're going to add some fresh cracked black pepper, just to taste, however much you want here. You can see we didn't use very many ingredients here, but we used high quality ingredients, heavy flavor ingredients. We're going to stir this, and once this is all stirred and heated through, we're ready to make our pasta. Okay, so an ideal serving here to stay in that 399 calorie range is about 1 cup of pasta. So we're going to go ahead, I'm just putting this into a mixing bowl so we can get it tossed together really well. So that's looking about right. I might be a smidge heavy on this one. But now we're going to go ahead and add our sauce. You want enough sauce to cover all your noodles, but you don't want to drown them. And this will even get thicker as it continues to cool. We're going to add a couple more ingredients here. We're going to add just about a tablespoon more of the Parmesan cheese. And we're going to go ahead and toss that together. You're going to notice that that Parmesan cheese you just added is going to start to melt and blend into this pasta, and it's just going to add to that silkiness and smoothness. We're going to go ahead and plate this. Again, just pick any plate, and we're going to go ahead and dollop up. Again, we're looking for about a full cup serving of the pasta. And any good pasta is going to be topped with some fresh herbs. I'm doing fresh parsley here, just over the top to add that flavor. You guys can see how quickly that came together. Minimal ingredients, but the high quality ingredients is the key in this dish. Let's give it a try. This is looking like a one hot bite. We're gonna get a nice good load of some pasta. Oh boy, this is my favorite, so I'm gonna love it, I already know. You have all the elements here of a really rich Alfredo sauce. You have the garlic, you have the creaminess. Although we cut out all the fat, you're not missing any of that here. Your quality in noodle is up to you and what kind of noodle you want to use. I like the fettuccine in this one. So thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to all my subscribers. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below if you like what you saw. We make everything across the board here at One Hot Bite. So you have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. We're gonna make an appetizer, and it's not just any appetizer. This is a high-end appetizer. We're gonna make scallop avocado tostadas. So these are going to be a lot of fun. If you enjoy seafood and scallops, make sure you're with me on Monday, and have a great weekend.